Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could download and install the Microsoft Net Framework 4.6.2. To begin, you will need to open your browser and to type www.microsoft.com. Once on the official website of Windows, you want to click on search bar and you want to type .NET Framework, and then you want to type 4.6.2 and hit enter. You want to select the first option, 4.6.2. And here you will be redirected to this page where you will find the version available for download. So on the right side, download .NET Framework Runtime, or you can download the developer pack, which one suits you the most. To begin the download, simply click on download .NET Framework as a runtime. Normally the download should begin automatically. If you go for the second option, you can just click on it if you are a developer and the download should begin automatically. As a next step, open the file where the downloaded file has been saved. It's usually under downloads, but in my case, I have it saved in another file. I will just go back and click on the file next to it. And here I have them downloaded. As I double clicked, it downloaded twice. So we'll begin by deleting. And here simply right click and select Run as Administrator. And Windows will ask you if you really want to allow Microsoft.NET Framework 4.6.2 to set up. You can go ahead and click yes, and then the installation will begin as like any normal software. A little window will pop up allowing us to go for the next option. As you can see, extracting files. And here we can go ahead and your installation. So in my case, it's stating that because I have the latest version, it won't allow the installation, but in your case, the installation should begin and should be without problems. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.